Okay, so firstly we'll discuss the background to contract law. This is some bit of, without going much back in time, just an overview of flavor of contract law in India. Then, of course, an important uh, discussion would be on what are letter of intent, agreement on contract. See, these are things that you already know. You possibly know more than I do. The idea is to sort of gather our thoughts. Thirdly, we will also distinguish offers from invitations, letter of intent, and comfort statements. This will be interesting to look at. This has a huge bearing on the kind of documentation we sign each day. Fourthly, would be essentials of a contract. This is classical contract law. I think all of us have sort of studied this during our law school days. The next one is particularly interesting. I will tell you how important it is. These are auxiliary agreements. I think you look at any player in a fintech market, you see any software company, ancillary agreements would be very important, and how that reads, how it ties up with the principal agreement is very important. We'll go through some of these concepts. Then electronic execution, very important, especially after the pandemic. But I strongly believe that it's important not only because of the pandemic. I think we are moving to an era where parties don't have to be in the same room while executing a contract. So this electronic execution is very important.